channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. And if you're new here and you just clicked on this video because you wanted to see what was going on, welcome to my channel. Hope you stay a while and hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy. All right, so I'm just going to jump right into today's video. I have stretched hair. If you watched my last video, I did the curl formers set so that I could basically just stretch my hair out. I really wasn't looking for the curls. And what I ended up doing after that is putting my hair into about 4 flat twists. And so now we get to work with this lovely stretched hair and create a new style. And there's this viral style that's been floating around Instagram that I saw that I was just enamored with. So we're going to attempt that today, and I'll insert the picture up here. All right. Let me show you what I'm going to be working with. Got a comb just for parting purposes, brush for smoothing, Jamaican black castor oil, if this style doesn't work out, we can just go back to my flat twist out. So, we'll see. it. This is my attempt to kind of recreate that style with my own twist on it. You guys, let me know what you think. Leave me a note down in the comment. Would you try this out, or is it a lot going on, too much for you? If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this one, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Until then, don't forget to live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine. Bye!